In this video, we're going to look at the Balances page in WebBroker. While the home page gives you an overview of your account balances using imagery and consolidated numbers, the Balances page lays out all the numbers in detail using a data-driven table format. There are two ways to get balances. First, if you are on your home page, you can use the Go to Balances link underneath your account overview. Second, you can use the account menu, and Balances is the first option on the left under Account Details. The first things you'll see on the Balances page is your total balance and your rate of return for the last 30 days. And these numbers are for all of your TD Direct Investing accounts as of the start of the day. If you have US dollars or holdings amongst your investments, their value would be reflected here in Canadian dollars using the posted exchange rate. Take note the balances here may not include all transactions that have occurred in your account during the day. To view those same-day transactions, use Account Activity. Below this overview is a list of each of your accounts. The Summary tab shows how much you have sitting in cash, how much you have invested in the markets, your total, which simply adds up the previous two columns, and the total available margin, if any, for each individual account as of the close of the previous business day. If the account is not a margin account, the available margin would just show as NA. Some details to know about these numbers. This total column shows the total balances of your account, cash and investments combined following the settlement of pending transactions. The investment column shows the value of your investment based on the closing price from the previous day. Lastly, this cash column here shows you the cash balances in your account and includes cash that has settled and deposits that have cleared. Said another way, trades and deposits that have not settled or cleared are not included in this number. That makes this cash number important, as any withdrawal above this amount may result in interest charges. If you make a deposit or withdrawal or buy or sell a security and want to see your new updated cash balance, use the Real-Time Cash tab. When using this tab, you'll see three columns: Settled Cash, Cash on Hold, and Real-Time Cash. And here is how they can work together. The Settled Cash column represents all cleared funds from deposits and trades that have settled and can be immediately withdrawn from your account. The Cash on Hold column provides another up-to-date number, letting you know how much cash is currently on hold, waiting for a trade to settle or for a check to clear. This amount can generally be used for investing but can't yet be withdrawn. Lastly, Real-Time is the amount of cash available once all of your trades have settled and deposit holds have cleared. It is the sum of your settled cash and cash on hold values. One final note about cash balances. Settled cash balances must always remain positive on cash and registered plan accounts such as RSPs and TFSAs. If you have a margin account, your cash balance is allowed to go negative if you choose to do so, as the debt is collateralized by the investments in your account. You must ensure that your margin balance is kept positive to keep your account in good standing. If you'd like to get further clarification on what each item on the page means, feel free to use the Help menu at the top of the page. The last thing to note about this page is that there are three different views available. The default view is Currency List. With Currency List, you see that for each 6-digit account number, there is a list of the Canadian and US dollar accounts, their subtotals, along with a consolidated total in Canadian dollars at the bottom. The Consolidated List view simplifies things slightly, showing just one consolidated balance that includes both the US and Canadian sides of your accounts. Lastly, there's a Consolidated Tiles view. In this view, each tile displays the type of account, the account number, and the current consolidated balance in Canadian dollars. So that's the Balances section in a nutshell. Thanks for watching.